Hey everyone, my field placement currently is with a counseling agency. They offer a variety of programs um, that range from attendance counseling all the way up to family therapy. There's a lot of programs that meet the needs for different demographics and different groups of people. They service children, adolescents, and adults, so they have a program that will meet the needs of anybody. Um, One thing I really enjoy about my field experience, and this is by far my favorite part so far, is getting to shadow different counselors and see their approach and kind of compare it to others and like recognize like how different people are in their approach to counseling. And that has just been really neat and very eye-opening for me because working with other people and like being new in the field, you're like, not personally, I'm not really sure what my counseling approach is. So the more I shadowed people, the more I saw their approach, the more I recognized how different they were. It kind of helped me feel more comfortable and like push me to get out of my shell and help me recognize within myself like my counseling approach and like what that looked like for me. So that was by far like my favorite part of my field experience this far. Um, One challenge I face is kind of approaching people and not feeling like a bother. Everyone has been very nice, very willing to answer my questions, willing to work with me. But I feel like I am a bother when I ask people certain questions because I know just how busy everyone is and they're trying to meet their clients and do sessions and meetings. So it's me being in my head is probably my biggest challenge. One thing I've learned about myself through this field experience is that I take the initiative. So instead of kind of like sitting around and like waiting for things to be handed to me or like someone to tell me what to do, I'm kind of like, even though on the inside I may be like panicking a little bit, I do try to push myself to approach someone and be like, hi, like, what do you need me to do? Or can I shadow this person? Or like, this really interests me. Like, can I do something to make this happen? So, that was kind of new. At first, it was kind of like a fake it till you make it type of deal where I was really, really pushing myself to do that. And now it's starting to feel kind of like second nature where like I'm just don't feel so awkward like approaching and trying to like insert myself in different programs and trying to just make the most of my experience. And the feedback I've gotten from that has been really good and positive. So that's made all the awkward feelings I have internally worth it, I guess. But yeah, I look forward to hearing how everyone else's experience is going. Thanks.